The Rule of Four is a collaborative novel written by Ian Caldwell and Dustin Thomason, two childhood friends who graduated from Princeton University and Harvard College, respectively. Published in 2004, the book quickly climbed to the top of the New York Times bestseller list and remained there for over 6 months. The story is set on the Princeton campus during the Easter long weekend in 1999 and revolves around 4 close friends and roommates, Tom, Paul, Charlie, and Gil, all seniors preparing for graduation. Tom, also known as Thomas Corelli Sullivan, serves as the narrator, but he is often preoccupied by the loss of his father. Tom's father, a dedicated professor, spent his life studying the enigmatic and rare book called the Hypnerotomachia Poliphili, published in Venice, Italy, in 1499. This complex book, written in multiple languages, contains intricate allegories. Throughout the novel, Tom grapples with his fascination for the hypnerotomachia and his desire to distance himself from the obsession that strained his parents' relationship. Now, it threatens to create a rift between him and his girlfriend, Katie Marchand. Meanwhile, Paul is working on his senior thesis, entirely devoted to deciphering the mysteries of the Hypnerotomachia Poliphili. He believes he is on the brink of unraveling the book's secrets. Tom's father had been close friends with Paul's thesis advisors, Richard Curry and Vincent Taft. However, a fierce rivalry developed between Taft and both men as they pursued the enigma surrounding the Hypnerotomachia for over 500 years. Tom's father made a significant discovery, a letter referring to the book's supposed author, Francesco Colonna, and wrote a book titled The Belladonna Document based on its contents. Unfortunately, Taft's scathing review of the book led to its downfall and ultimately damaged Tom's father's academic career. Intrigue, mystery, and the quest for understanding the Hypnerotomachia Poliphili drive the narrative of the Rule of Four. As the characters navigate the complexities of friendship, love, and intellectual pursuits, they become entangled in a web of secrets and hidden meanings that could shape their futures. Paul makes a significant breakthrough in his exploration of the Hypnerotomachia when he discovers a series of hidden and encoded texts within the book. Each solution to these texts leads to a clue for the next one, guiding him through a complex chain of puzzles. However, his progress comes to a halt when he encounters a message indicating that there will be no further clues, and he must decipher the remaining portions of the book on his own. Determined to unravel the secrets within the Hypnerotomachia, Paul realizes that the entire book contains a concealed message that can be decoded by following a rule of 4. This rule involves moving through the text in a specific pattern, starting with 1 letter, then shifting 4 rows down, followed by 10 columns to the right, then 2 rows up, and finally 6 columns to the left. By diligently applying this method, Paul and Tom engage in days of intense work, gradually uncovering a series of riddles that they successfully solve. As they piece together fragments of a hidden Renaissance secret, they unveil the story of the book's author, Francesco Colonna. A Renaissance humanist residing in Florence, Colonna had a deep passion for Greek and Roman literature. Concurrently, a fervent priest named Girolamo Savonarola believed that Florence was succumbing to intellectual pursuits, neglecting devotion to God. Savonarola initiated the infamous bonfire of the Vanities, a symbolic act of burning books and artworks deemed blasphemous. In an attempt to counter Savonarola's oppressive practices, Colonna confronted him but failed to bring an end to the book burnings. Undeterred, Colonna constructed an extensive underground vault to safeguard ancient books and artworks from the zealots. To demonstrate his commitment, he and 2 companions walked into the raging bonfire, sacrificing themselves to protect knowledge and art. Colonna's sacrificial act sparked a revolt against Savonarola's rule, leading to the eventual downfall of the priest, who was hanged and then incinerated. The intertwined stories of Colonna, Savonarola, and the secrets contained within the Hypnerotomachia Poliphili create a tapestry of historical intrigue and the enduring power of knowledge and rebellion. In his final days, Francesco Colonna authored the Hypnerotomachia, a cryptic book intended to promote humanism amidst religious constraints. Meanwhile, Paul's friend, Bill Stein, and his thesis advisor, Vincent Taft, conspired to steal Paul's thesis and claim it as their own. However, to safeguard Paul's work, Richard Curry, Paul's benefactor, resorted to murder, eliminating both Bill and Vincent. During a gathering at Ivy Club, an esteemed Princeton eating club presided over by Gil, a fire suddenly engulfs the premises. In a desperate bid to save one another, Tom, Gil, Paul, and Richard find themselves entangled in a life-or-death situation. Amidst the chaos, Tom takes a courageous leap from a window, managing to escape with the assistance of firefighters. Unfortunately, Paul fails to follow suit, leading Tom and Gil to presume his demise alongside Richard Curry in the raging fire. Time passes, and Tom remains haunted by the harrowing events at Ivy Club. However, his life takes an unexpected turn when he receives a mysterious package in the mail, a genuine ancient Botticelli canvas. Enclosed within the tube, Tom discovers a cryptic return address in Florence, Italy, which he recognizes as a coded message from his long-lost friend, Paul Harris. It becomes clear to Tom that Paul is beckoning him to embark on a journey to Italy. Intrigued and compelled by the enigmatic call, Tom sets his sights on Florence, ready to unravel the secrets that await him. The quest to decipher the hidden messages within the Hypnerotomachia, the lingering mysteries surrounding Paul's disappearance, and the allure of an ancient city steeped in history all converge to propel Tom toward a new chapter of adventure and revelation. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you did and be sure to subscribe. Thank you.